Got two screws up there hidden up inside. These two have a washer on them, so you gotta keep these separate. You gotta make sure these two go back in here. We got two up on top in the glove box. Now you gotta just loosen this clamp so you can pull the air tube off for the air box. Now we gotta lift this up. Lift this up and get the box out. Alright. That's one thing we gotta work on, Riley. So to unplug the dash, you gotta pull back on this red latch, and then you'll be able to push this in. And you wiggle this out like that. If you don't pull back on this red lock, you'll end up breaking it. So don't forget to pull this back before you push in this piece right here with your thumb, and that releases it. And then this has a slide. You just slide it off. Just slides into this tab right here. So we got to take disconnect the bulbs, and we have two more screws to remove right here. All right, now we're ready to, once we remove those last two screws up on top, get in between the headlights, lift up on here, slide out, and just kind of spread these open a little bit. Alright, so now that we got the hood off, we're going to install the heated visor plug, and that's going to go right here. So this is going to act as a hinge. So this is what you're looking for. You're looking for this right here. You're going to push in on that and pop it up. Just like that. It's just a small little anchor tab. And you just push on it and it'll pop right out. Alright, so now we gotta get this plug out. So you just gotta look for these little tabs right here and push them in. There's one on the other side.
That's all she wrote. And now we'll install the plug. So when you're installing this, you got to loop this through itself because it's going to ground on itself. Don't ground this to something else. This goes on like that, and then you push it up through. See, I was going to show you. See how loose that is? It's going to be taken up. A lot of it's going to be taken up with this piece right here. So once you put it on, just like that.
Alright, now that we've got this all put in, get it tucked out of the way. Now you're going to get everything back down and put these 3 tabs in first, like that. There we go. There is a hole right here that this goes, just like that. So you're going to put that in there like that, and then here's your power source. This is your accessories. So you're going to unplug this, and all this is a molded piece of plastic that Skidoo designed to hold an extra outlet. There's nothing in it. It's not hooked to anything. It's just holding the extra plug in case you ever need it. So we'll plug that into this. Get everything all tucked out of the way, like that. And that's it. And we'll zip tie all these together, and we should be good to go. And once you get all these wires tucked in, just put a zip tie on them and snip it off. There. Don't want anything rubbing on anything. There we go.